Oh, hey there. Good morning. A little different today. Normally after every hike, I shoot a video. Yesterday, since I had needed 2 attempts to complete that hike, I decided to save my breath and not take as many pictures or videos. So today, for your enjoyment, I'm going to do things a little bit different. Enjoy. The place was Turtlehead Canyon. When I've heard the term Turtlehead before, I want to think of 2 different references. One of them is from Austin Powers.
I've got a turtlehead poking out. Charming.
And the other one is that weird scene from the hit TV show Breaking Bad where the dude's head was walking around on a turtle. Yeah, that's the other one.
I gathered my gear and proceeded to hit the road. The destination, none other than Turtlehead Peak. Main walking stick. Power fingerless gloves. Sun stopper lotion. Magic shoes. Pack for hydration and other bonuses. Le Agua. Sustenance. Pain away profile. Secondary walking stick. The bitch, go ahead and try me 2000. Dre Beats.
You remember when Chris Brown tried to come out with his own version of Beats? Ask Brianna. She knows.
I think I'm almost there. There's my car way down there. It's taken me 2 attempts to try to beat this Turtlehead Peak. And so today, I finally did it. There's Vegas way in the background. Took me 2 hours and 26 minutes to get to the top. My most difficult hike I've ever done. I can't believe I finally beat it. I did it. I conquered that peak.